Here we are at Vista on the Green, and we're at the final construction site update. What you'll see is over the last 5 weeks, the construction team has put in a massive effort to get these 10 amazing townhouses finished before Christmas. Last time we were here, we didn't have any driveway down, no front fence. The painting had really only just commenced for all the lower works, and as you can see, all of that's been done. So let's go and have a look at Vista on the Green. The carpenters who also do our landscaping work, because it's better to have those guys do it for me, are just finishing all the turfing here and girding off all the balconies. The next video that you're going to see of Vista on the Green is the project complete with no construction work taking place, and you'll be able to take a really good tour inside here. But if you want to have a bit of a sneak peek, you can see just how amazing these townhouses have come up. So as well as all of this external work that's taken place, the driveway, the fencing, the landscaping, we've also been super busy on the inside closing out these townhouses. So 1 to 6 behind me here are all completely finished. We've had the cleaners go through those, and it's just small minor defect work that's happening. On 7 to 10, and we're out the front of townhouse 9 here, we're nearly at the stage for the cleaners to come through. So let's go inside and check out. This townhouse is complete, not quite clean, but nearly ready to go. Here we've got the kitchenette that's been installed. Electricians still need to come back, put some power points in, and a little bit of painting to take place. We've got our laundry here all complete. Bedrooms with the timber floors down. Bathrooms, we're just waiting on a spa bath in this particular townhouse. Our robe shelving's all gone in. Tiling's all complete. Waiting on a couple of little minor things to happen, but we're pretty well ready to get this cleaned up and defected. So here in Townhouse 9, we've still got the electrical appliances that need to be fitted off. You can see we've got our granite bench top that's gone in, pendant lights, the splashback that's gone in that the owners chose specific, as well as this granite bench top. As we come through here to the balcony, we've got our state-of-the-art barbecue and cabinet, just waiting on a little bit of stone and the range hood to go in. Our timber ceilings have gone in as well, and we finalised the stain for those. And we get to enjoy that view one last time while we're under construction, which has certainly been a favourite spot for everyone to come and have their lunch. So in the next episode here at Vista on the Green, we're going to see the final product all cleaned and landscaping complete. And I think you're going to be pretty blown away by just how amazing these 10 townhouses are.